Today, guys, we're finally going to be rebuilding my Xmaxx, and we're going to go hang out with Lou52 at Max Outlaws Bash Championship up in Allen, Texas, and we're going to let him destroy our Xmaxx, so stay tuned for that. Alright, I think it's about time to finally rebuild my Xmaxx. I've been sitting in limbo for months. But first, we got to take this massive power system out of my sledge here, the 8S system, and put it back in the Xmaxx. So let's tear this thing down and get this thing rebuilt with some better parts, hopefully. Alrighty, guys, time to actually get back on the Xmaxx. Last video has been like 8 months ago. I broke my A-arm back in here, as you can see down there. So I got some RPMs to go on here. And this should be pretty good, man. We're going to be putting our XCESC system back in it. Don't really have too many other upgrades besides this new M2C plate. Now, some of y'all gonna be like, why is this plastic? Why is this PLA tough? Well, he's trying out a new design to see if flex would actually help with the Xmaxx. So this is the only new part we're gonna put on here from M2C, and I'll have to get everything fitted up. But first, let's get on this A-arm. Pretty sure this Xmaxx is from like 2018 that I bought a long time ago on the channel. Check out my latest edition here, the stock shock shafts. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be boomeranging like that there, brother. I don't think that's supposed to happen. All right, guys, and I want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Sense RC Innovations, here with their brand new controller that they're trying to get out to the market. This thing's amazing. Let's roll the unboxing video real quick. I have something very interesting to show you here. Sense reached out to me after they heard about my problem with some of my remotes. And check this out, guys. We're going to be unboxing this today. I may have already looked at it just to see if it looks cool. See, I ripped it here. This is the S10 radio system, guys. Let's look at this thing together. I have not taken it fully out of the box yet, as I wanted to wait for you guys. All right, here we go. Let's see what this thing looks like. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, this looks pretty nice. Look at that big old screen there. Sense remote. What does the trigger feel like? Trigger? Feels pretty light. This feels great. It says AAA batteries, but it looks like AA batteries. All right, we're gonna have to get this thing turned on and see what it does, but he also sent me a bunch of other stuff to come with it, so let's check that stuff out. Here's the instruction manuals. Don't need that. I think these are like different grips that we can try out here. Grips and cords. Cords and grips. Oh, I think this is our first receiver. Look at there, there's the receiver. So this is what the receiver looks like. Oh my gosh, look how many channels are on this thing. Dude, there's so many channels. It's got a gyro. I don't even know what this little thing is yet. We got to read the instruction manual, but my God, there's a lot of channels on here. This thing is going to be sweet, guys. Man, this is going to be sick. Let's go check out how this controller does, and we'll get it mounted up in one of the cars. Now, we are going to be putting this system in here and replacing that old Fly Sky, because I'm not trusting in that GT5 Fly Sky anymore. So here comes the Sense Hobby with their receiver and their GPS that goes along here that will read real-time data of speed. I'm going to try to fit that on this bad girl. We'll see how that works out. But we got to rip out this Fly Sky here and put this in. All right, guys, we're out here at Outlaws Bash event in Allen, Texas. We got Lou over here. I'll do an introduction on him in a minute, but we're bashing out here together. There's his Mega Crate, and I got my Xmaxx out here. Got to. This Sense controller is so smooth. Yeah, no dip controller. You already break something?
Nah, battery came loose.
Oh, I hate when that happens. I'm gonna see if I can hit the fence. That was a good one. This Xmaxx is crazy. Oh yeah. That's why they move. What a pop! Oh! What a hop! What a little hop! There goes Creighton. Yeah, a little bounce. Shock mod delete. Shock mod delete. That was a nice bounce. You low riding. Xmaxx doing excellent out here. Shock delete. Some other hills out here.
I bet if we came from that corner, we could come up that berm.
That's what I was thinking right now.
Oh yeah, that'll be a good one.
That's big sin. Big sin, big sin. Come over here, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good flyer right there. That was a great one. Sounds good. I think a motor wire just came out. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yep. Motor wire came out. Oh no! I'm melting my GPS. What is melting? Something smells wonderful in here. Listen to Xmaxx some more. Nice, Max. Oh, you're so close, man.
Now we've entered my Xmaxx into a stunt competition. Let's see how we do.
I don't think my brake's up enough. Go ahead, fire team. All right, let's see.
Oh, nice little front flip. Action.
That was me. All right, Lou got my Xmaxx now.
First time driving an Xmaxx. I'm gonna wait for them to
Yeah.
I'll try and make you proud, Brett.
Yes, please do. That was a big flopper.
I'm going for that.
Man, I missed. Yeah, you did a great job on the throttle there, buddy. You're on your wheels.
Most cartwheels in the day. I get a do-over.
Yeah, you get a do-over, Lou.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, but it landed. Dude, distance is
Power
crazy.
seam off?
Holy crap.
Yeah, motor wire came out.
Yeah.
If the power is off, motor. Oh, you did something over here. Good job. What'd you do to my front end?
And we got a little diff work that needs to be done.
What'd you do to my front end, buddy?
I toasted it.
Did you finally break my towing?
Hey, what front end?
Yeah, exactly. Who needs a front end?
Hey, where's your axle at?
Hey, brother. Where'd my M2C axle go?
I'm gonna go find it.
What the heck, man?
Axle delete.
Dude, I think it was a clean delete. No, rear bearings. Oh, no, it broke the axle right in half. It broke the...
Oh, the shaft. Dog bone itself?
Yeah, it broke the M2C thing right in half. Dog bone's still in there. Big bearing's gone. But heck yeah. What a good time that was. Well, all right, guys. After Lou got a hold of my Xmaxx, as you can see here, this bar that we were testing by M2C and PLA Tough broke right there, and she's coming apart right there. We could pretty much do that. I blew out the hub to the point of where the M2C drive shaft broke off inside of itself, and we don't even know where the rest of the shaft is. And then my belt crank is completely just wigglified right here. So yeah, guys, It's gonna get a bunch of upgrades going on here, as I have a whole bag of M2C parts and I got some GPM stuff on the way for this Xmaxx. So stick around, guys, and we're gonna get this Xmaxx rebuilt and better than it was before.